Morning, good afternoon, good evening. You're welcome to another exciting AI session. From our previous class where we learned how to create AI presentation slides in minutes, one of the app we use is the Gamma app. So you can find it in gamma.ai. All right, so you just type gamma.ai and then you will have something like this. Of course, you have to sign up with your Google account or other email. So this is my current workspace and I'm using a free account. Yes, there are some restrictions to free accounts, but then as mid-level, entry-level professionals, of course it's beautiful. Okay, so you can invite your team members even on your free account. You can check out plans and pricing. Of course, the pro is always better, but what can we do? Okay, so if you've not subscribed to the channel, please always do. Okay, so let's go. Now you find Gamma, this is your home key, and this is where you find every other thing. So here you find templates, and you can only do more with your Gamma Pro. All right, so we don't want anything to do with Gamma Pro right now. But then when we start building our organization, I guess we would have something to do with it. So there's the library where you can, set a new theme or you can import an existing theme for those companies who already have a brand. They have brand colors, they have brand text. You can add all of them here. All right. So this is your custom font where you can also add a font family, but then you must be using a pro version. So there's your settings where you can change or edit your workspace, your add a picture or add the name of your company over here and you can check out the members. You can see their role, you can see their join date, so you can tell them what to do. So I am the admin of this account. I can add more people to my team to use this workspace. All right, so this is what it is. This is the permission that I allow for this. You can access your permission or you can add permissions over here. All right. So this is what I currently have as my workspace default theme, and I can change it as I want, with however I want, whenever I want. All right. So I can change it to say, okay, I want something darker for my workspace. When my slides is being produced, okay, let's choose this that I want this. So I have updated my default theme. So let's just go ahead. That's just something you can just try just to play around. So if you want to automate your workflows, you have Gamma API, but then this is not what we are talking about today. We may explore this much later. But then you can follow Gamma on social media accounts. If you want to become an expert, definitely you can explore Gamma Lab, but it's not what we are about right now. All right, so you can invite team members here and you can give your feedback here. All right. So this is it. This is my current credits. You can also sign out here. So let's go back to home. So this is a previous work. This is where you find your history. This is something I've done before, and this is what we did for our class a while ago. So I'm just gonna put it in list version, but I think grid is finer. All right. So this was created by me. If it was created by maybe your team member, you will see their names over here. Okay, so these are every other information you find. Your AI images. You can also upload images that you can use here on Gamma. You can import documents on Gamma and then ask it to summarize text and create slides for you. So let's go to create. Now, create with AI. How would you like to get started? All right, so you can generate from a one line prompt in few seconds. This was what I used last. Or you can paste in text. For example, you've gotten your slide draft already prepared by external to say ChatGPT. ChatGPT has given you your draft outline, so you can just choose this and paste. So let's see what this is about. Okay, now you have it here and you see paste in your prompt here. So it asks you a question. What do you want to do with this content? Okay. So do you want it to generate from notes or an outline? Do you want it to turn rough ideas, bullet points? So you will give it what to do. All right, summarize long text or document or preserve this exact document. So whatever you have chosen, that is what it will do. Or you can also come over here to import file. Let's say your project document, you can import it and then create slides out of it. Isn't that amazing? All right, so let's go back. We have seen what it looks like over here. Let's go back because we want something really, really quick. Or you can create from a template. Let's see what it looks like. Okay, so you can choose a template, but then we are restricted here by Grammar Pro. All right, so add your first template. You can use this lesson plan, use the layout in this to create. But then this is a longer process because we don't have a pro account and all that. So we just want something simple that we can use. So let's go back. So here you can import your file, you can enhance existing document, presentation or web pages, all right? So but let's go to generate. Let's use a single line prompt, and these are the prompts we've used before. Okay, so I just go over here and I say generate. So when I choose generate, I'll choose what I want to create. Is it a social post, let's say like a carousel, or I want a document or a web page? So you see, Gamma goes beyond just doing presentation slides. All right. So I choose the number of cards that I want. So, but the maximum for free version is 10. So if you want longer, 15 cards, you want 20 cards, it has to be plus. You have to pay for it. All right, so let's say at the maximum we want 10. Okay, so classic or studio, but then we can't access studio because studio is paid. So sorry. So what do you want your card size to look like? So in our class we tried the tall one. Let's try traditional. And yes, you can have slides in other languages. The text will be changed for you, and then you can put it in French, in Finnish, in English, whatever. And yes, you can choose whatever you want to generate, like social. This social goes for carousel. You can choose up to five, like I said. Okay, so what would you like to make? Someone was asking, okay, where did I get the prompt? Please, I did not formulate any prompt. I just used an example prompt. But then it would help better if you give it context, all right? But this is for learning sake, and we are not talking about prompt engineering at the moment. But if you want to have better output, it's good you prompt your systems very, very well so that it can give you the output that you desire. All right, so let's just do something simple. Let's talk about um panel discussion on this, or let's just reshuffle it. Let's see more, whatever. But these are just prompts it has given. I can write something entirely different. Okay, so let's just test this out. So I write this, and one beautiful thing about Gamma is that it generates the outline for you, and the outline is editable. So if it doesn't give you what you want, you can regenerate the outline, or you can add your own thoughts to it to make it good. Remember, we are not depending on AI. We are the ones giving AI a context to work with. All right. So we are doing this. We just selected a random prompt just for learning purposes. So if you want it to create for you, you have to give it prompt, you have to give it a context to work with. All right, so let's go. So let's say generate the outline. So it goes on to generate the outline for some seconds. And if you come down here, you can see how you want to customize your gamma. Do you want the text to be minimal? Do you want it to be concise? Do you want it to be detailed? Or you want it to be extensive? And over here, you can choose your visuals. What kind of visuals do you want? Remember, we have chosen a default before, but we can come over here to view more and then pick out another style that we like. Okay, so wow, our text have been generated. So you see, okay, so if I want to add my name, I can say okay by Esther. Okay, I can add community captain. All right, so we got that. So you can edit it. It's editable. You can add more cards, but then you are restricted to 10. All right. So if you want to take this slide up, you can drag it up and merge it to the slide above. Let's see how that goes. So you see these two slides become one, and you can undo. Amazing. Undo is Control Z. But then let's see. Maybe we want to have more space to add more card. Let's see what we can do. So let's see how we can add slide 2 and slide 3 together. So I go to the three dots behind and I merge it. Great. You see, I have space for another slide. Let's see, I add slide 4 to slide 3. Remember, you can use this to delete the card entirely. You can use this to add a card below, but let's merge these two. Wow. So I have space. So I can now add more cards. Great. I can add more cards. Great. I have two empty cards I want to add. So here I can say, okay, thank you for listening. Okay. I will say follow me on LinkedIn. Great. So I've done that. Okay, so this is what we have. Amazing. So you can merge cards together if the information it has provided isn't very much. Okay, so that's what we can do. We have chosen this. So let's go ahead to view more themes and choose a final theme that will fit our presentation. Do you want Stardust? Do you want, you can see how the layout looks like, looks interesting, but let's see. We are talking about exercise here. So let's see how it goes. Okay, so you see, you find a lot of themes to choose from, and you can always find the preview. I think I like this. All right, so it's taking a lot of time to load. I don't want to waste time, so I'm just going to select this. So we selected this, and here you can select your image source. What kind of image do you want? Do you want stock photos, web images, AI images, illustrations, and all? So we already choose AI images, but then you can choose stock photos that you can choose from, an online source. All right. So this is the AI model you want to use to generate your images. Is it Nano Banana, Flux 2 Pro, blah blah blah, like that. So you choose your image art style. Do you want an illustration image or 3D? Do you want line art or custom? So that's all. You go back, you check all of your prompts, and then you see total cards, 10 to cards total. And this is the credit I currently have for my free account. So I go ahead to say generate. So it's generating. Wow. So this is what we have. You see how it goes? It keeps coming up. And I love this Gamma tool because you can directly present from the Gamma app. You don't have to download and go back to PowerPoint to start, presenting again. You can just present from here directly, and you have access to all of your files or all of the stuffs you have worked with before. And even as the slides have been generated, you can edit it on the app. The slides can be edited here. So once it's finished generating, we will see how it works. But let's go to the first one. So while the others are generating, let's see how the, okay, it has to finish generating. Isn't it beautiful? Please leave your comments at the bottom. Let me know what you think. So we want this recording to just get at, let's say, maximum 20 minutes. I hope it doesn't get to that. Anyways, but it has been amazing. And this sidebar, you can, search for more. You can change the font. You can add a picture online. You can add insights, different stuff you can do over here. All right. So we have generated something. Remember your assignment. You are to do, you have to create something, post it online. I've shared my LinkedIn handle with you. Tag me, tag Aspire Institute, and show that you have done your assignment to qualify for the next training. Yes, these trainings are paid, but if you want my course, it's available. It's really in depth, it's packed. There we explore different AI tools that we can use in learning. Isn't it amazing? Of course. So this is it. Amazing. So you see, it added questions, share your goals and current routine. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Okay, so let's wait. Okay, great. So we're done. Now it's asking, do you like what you created? Do you want to go back to the prompt to edit? Do you want to refine this? Like that. So it's asking. Okay. So but let's go back and let's see. Good. So we did not have a point for slide 3 because slide it was merged. Okay. So you see slide 3 is sort of empty over here. All right, because we merged it. But then when you are presenting, you don't see it. You just keep going and going. So I believe this is a wonderful slide. And yes, you can change the text. You don't like something, you can always add more like that. You can change the text, you can change the picture. Okay, so you can delete it, you can crop it, whatever you want to do. You can enhance the image with an agent like that. So this is what we have done. You can do a card styling, you can change the color, you can add headers or footers. Maybe you want to add the name of your organization. You can restyle whatever. I love this. Okay, so you can come over here and you can download or export this particular card if you want. All right, so this is what it looks like, and let's see how the presentation looks like. So I go over to present and I just click present. All right, so this is what presentation looks like. Amazing. So I just use my continuous tab to go forward, and I have this. This is great. This is really great. So you see, when it's presenting, that empty slide in card 3 isn't showing. All right, but I love it. I love the how it has, added pictures. For our class, some of the image did not generate due to internet. So you must make sure your internet is stable whilst you're generating. All right. But then if your pictures did not generate effectively, you can always delete the picture and add manually. So you see, wow, this is great. This is really, 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 really great. This is really, really great. Okay. So this is it. Thank you for listening. Share your goal and blah blah blah. I say follow me on LinkedIn. Let's connect and all. So you see it's amazing. So I just go on escape on this and then we are back to our flight creation page. So I'm going to show you something new. So over here, you can also add a new card because you are still in editing phase. You can add from templates or you can add with AI, whichever one you want. So let me know what you think of this tool. You can add a blank card over here or you can add with a template. So if you want to share, you come over here and click on share so you can collaborate with others by adding their emails or you can publish it to your site if you have one. All right, or you can give your team members access. They can edit, comment, or view or no access at all. Or you can export. You can just click on export so it exports it and save in your document. All right, so that is it. Thank you so much for joining, and please do your assignments to qualify for the next session. I'll be sharing my LinkedIn handle with you. So, for those people who are watching outside here, you can also be part of it. Do your assignment, create something with Karma AI, tag me on LinkedIn, I'll see it, and then share me your email address. I'll email you the next meeting link for our next session. Thank you so much. We kept it at 20 minutes and do have a wonderful time. Bye.